If you're currently implementing an ERP system or planning on doing it in the near future, don't put off looking at manufacturing analytics. The biggest reason why is the ROI on manufacturing analytics is very fast. You're talking 3 months at most. You can typically get up and running in less than a month, and it delivers immediate value. A lot of times people will delay implementing other software like manufacturing analytics along with ERP because they're worried about how much time people have to spend to set things up. ERP does take a very long time, but it's a completely different group of people that are going to run that on a daily basis than your production team. So we would really recommend looking at manufacturing analytics either before or at the same time you're implementing ERP, because you can get more value much more quickly and you can get good data to go into your ERP. For example, if you run manufacturing analytics for 3 or 6 months while you're implementing your ERP system, you'll have accurate cycle times and accurate scrap rates that can go into the ERP, which will help you plan better.